61 hours showing on this gas 3020. The batteries are really bad, so we've got our jumper on it. You got to have that on it to get it to stay idling, because the electronics go into all that. So the little lights on where the alternator's not doing whatever. And so anyway, to have juice, we got to keep the battery box on it. It hits all the gears very nicely. 3-point PTO worked good. Power steering works okay. You know, this rascal's got it's got probably, I'm going to say probably 75% to 80% rear tires. Single remote, 540 and 1000 PTO, 15,538. Around the valve stem on this one, so we didn't want to air it up anymore. This tire's a little bit low on the right side. The side shields are both here. We had to take the side shield off the left side so we could run the jumper on it. The steering wheel is bent on the front of it, like something's falling down on the steering wheel a little bit. It turns fine, but it doesn't turn like it ought to all the time. As far as the straightness, you can see here, it's bent down a little bit. Something's cracked that steering wheel some. Okay. Side shield's on it. It's missing the two front screens. Not sure where they would be done. It's got a couple of things in the front, the screen in the front. It's been banged around some. Yeah, this one over here has been up on the left side. Battery box has got some rust in them that's left them, especially here. The back seems to be working at 40-some-hundred hours. I don't know. It's a good honest tractor. It's got a John Deere wide front end under it. It looks good. Don't see any issues there. Just a decent old gas tractor. It's going to be sold absolute on Tractor House Auction.